The mental image of the transformation of a species in place, in fact, in most simplistic terms, maintaining its population size generation after generation after generation, and then as we come and watch it, it changes, perhaps gradually, into a different creature. That single population in place, the only real change of interest being time. This image is so pervasive and so attractive that it seems to be the baseline assumption that students have brought into my classrooms. What Ernst Mayr suggested in this case, with his term peripatry, meaning around, is that speciation doesn't occur upon a single parent base population. It occurs among subgroups, typically at the margins. And those margins may be due, in the most obvious case, to dispersal. In fact, a great deal of this has been studied in terms of island chains, because the island chains provide these wonderful little hopscotch points for dispersal to occur, and automatically lack of reproductive opportunity among the subpopulations. Other forms, besides dispersal, that can result in subpopulations fall into the category of vicariance, whereby the geography itself is split up, thereby subdividing populations. The most obvious and a very slow case is continental drift, but there are lots and lots of others, and many of them are quicker. All of this is to say that speciation, geographically speaking, apparently occurs through a division of populations through circumstances, reducing or even preventing opportunity to breed. I'm not talking about the creature's own capacities, I'm talking about opportunity among members of the same species. The issue of sympatric speciation, of it occurring in place, and even so, nobody's talking about the entire population transforming into an entirely different species. People are talking about subpockets that happen to be within the range of the parent species becoming a species. That remains a topic of some controversy. I'm not claiming it's impossible. However, when studied, often microhabitats and other separating phenomena seem to be in place. Therefore, Mayer's fundamental idea that we are talking about a subdivided sector of an existing species being the primary geographic context for speciation is so far borne out.